Alright guys, what's happening today? Steve Mingleco, Final Web Design. Want to take a minute and go over some of the popular Linux commands, or just really what is Linux. And if you're familiar with Linux, it's an old, it's not really a language as much as a way to navigate the computer through the terminal. So there are a few commands that basically do the same thing as if you were to be on your operating system and seeing your folders and going in and being able to open stuff and create new folders and save files and such. So why don't we just go over a few of the very basic concepts of Linux. So starting here, one of the most common commands you're going to see is cd, which is change directory, and then you can type in whichever root directory you might want, but it's a little bit easier actually if you just bring over your folder. And what that's going to do is now we've carried ourselves into this folder. So basically we are in the same folder as this right now. So if I go ls, you're going to see here that I have my documents, images, public HTML, the same folders that I'm seeing here. And why is that? I mean, basically, again, you can see that we have entered this folder through the command cd, which is change directory. So now let's say we want to go into this image folder. Now I could type this directory out, but it is a little bit of work. Let me just do that one more time. And basically now I'm in this images folder. So why don't we type ls again, and it's going to tell us all of the images that are in here. And we should see the employees folder along with the other files that are in here. So why don't we just go into there, employees, and then go ls again, and we can see here's all of our images that are in that actual directory. So again, it's just a real brief rundown of how Linux works, but I want you to see how you're able to type into the terminal a way to then navigate the folder structure of your website. So there's a few other ones. This is how you're actually able to create a new directory, is make dir direct, and we can make, so basically because we're in this employees folder here, make direct file.doc. And now you'll see file.doc is in here. So if I go, I keep saying ls, I'm sorry, I'm thinking about you'll see that file.directory is right here. So that's basically how you create folders. You can delete stuff. I'm not going to go into all of that. I just want to give a real general idea of how the Linux actually works. So let's say we want to go back to the root, and we're back here at the root of our project. So guys, that's Linux. I'm going to go into a little more detail in the next videos, but this kind of gives you just a brief idea of how Linux works and what operating systems have now taken over the responsibility of Linux. So if you guys have any questions, if you want, you can leave a comment or a like. That stuff helps, and we'll catch you in the next video.